Let's cast on. We're going to start with a slip knot. And then this is how you do the knitted cast on. This is described in our ebook, but I want you to have the video as well so you can see what it looks like when you put it all together. All right, so there are 4 main steps here. I'm going to show you what it looks like going sort of smoothly, and then I'll break it down into each of the 4 steps. Okay, so first you're going to insert your right needle to the left of the first stitch on this needle. So when I say the first stitch, I mean the one that's closest to the tip. So you're going to go to the left and under, making a nice X shape. And then you're going to wrap the yarn around that bottom needle. That's step 2. Step 3 is to drag the bottom needle back to the top. So we're keeping this loop on the needle and bringing the tip back up to the top so that we've brought that loop to the front. And the 4th step is to put that loop on the left needle. Now, your first 2 stitches make like a V shape here by the tip of the needle. That's completely normal. You're just going to repeat. You're going to go to the left of this first stitch, under, make that X shape. That's step 1. Wrap the yarn around, that's step 2. And I like to kind of choke up on that loop, and I'm pinching with my left finger and thumb so that step 3 I can drag that right needle back and bring the new loop, the new stitch, back up to the top. And then the 4th step, put that new stitch on the left needle. And you can pull it a little snug. Don't yank it tight though, because then you're going to have trouble with your next step 1. So you get into position, loop the yarn around, drag to the front, and add to the left. Now, a lot of times people get hung up on step 3 and you pull the needle and you lose that stitch. So what do? Start again with step 1, make sure that you're really choking up there, and sometimes you can even guide with your right index finger so that the yarn stays on that needle. And then you add it to the left needle. All right, you're going to continue until you have as many stitches as the pattern says for you to cast on.